L. I lost 30
Oh my man.
to jump out of the market for the day. Now, I did end up losing, but I learned a lot that day. But those lessons would not help me for what was coming up next. Thursday. I got up as normal at 6:30 in the morning, looking like I got 2 hours of sleep. And I probably should have just stayed in bed because I was not ready for what was going to happen. I entered a trade way too late. You see these 3 lines here? That middle green line is where I was supposed to enter. But instead, I decided to only enter after the trade started going in my direction and got stopped out in 2 candles, losing about $15. But it's okay because I ended up taking 2 more trades for the day and made it back plus $20 in profit, is what I wish I could say. But the next 2 trades I ended up taking were back-to-back L's. Looking back at the trade, I don't even know what I was thinking. And the market proceeded to absolutely dump after I took this trade. In trade 3, the third L took me out after just 1 candle. This day sucks, and I lost $53.48. On to the next day, Friday. The final day. The day I would make a comeback and make back all the money I lost. Yeah, we both know that didn't happen. Today, I got messaged by somebody in my Discord in a similar situation who wanted to trade with me. We hopped on a call along with another friend who joined us later. This was one of the worst things I could have done because I ended up breaking pretty much every single one of my trading rules. Let's go over my trades. Started off the day by getting stopped out. But guess what? I made it back. And no, I'm not being sarcastic this time. We actually made it back. And you can tell I was relieved after finally having a green trade. Then I followed that with another green trade. I was actually in profit for the day, but decided to keep trading because I was on a call, which is where I made my first mistake and broke a rule of mine. I overtraded. At this point, I had already been trading for way too long and had taken too many trades. And I was about to pay for it. Then I broke another rule, a mistake that I had already made and should have learned from. I moved my stop loss again. As you can see, I knew I shouldn't be doing this, but I felt confident in the trade just because I thought it was going to go in my direction, which was another rule broken. Just like before, it hit my even higher stop loss for an even bigger loss. I entered again just a few minutes later and was actually in the green, but that wasn't for too long because the market moved against me and stopped me out for a little better than break even. This didn't mean much though because on the day I was down $61.04.
Alright, bro, chat, tell me this isn't
putting us down
this isn't like this right here,
$130.21 on the week. This is me a month and a half later. So I actually got a lot better this month than last month. And in this month of March, I was able to make back my losses from February. As you can see in February, we went from losing $222.17 to making $1,100 in March. So let me share with you some changes I made and how losing this much money helped me. Yeah, I know it seems weird that losing money helped me, but it actually did. Now, let me start off by saying that each one of these losses taught me something. After every loss in this video, I learned something new, and pretty much every successful trader that I've seen has said the same exact thing. To be a successful trader, you have to blow your account, which means at some point you're gonna have to lose a ton of money or all the money in your account, because that's the best way to learn. This happens to pretty much everybody trading, and what most people do is just quit after this. But like I've said in my past videos, you can't fail if you don't give up. And so far for me, that's working. So I trade a version of Smart Money Concepts, ICT, whatever you want to call it. So after learning the basics of how options work, I jumped right into watching TJR Trades and the Inner Circle Traders. These are 2 people that I highly recommend. But you do not have to go this route. You can use a different strategy to trade. Some trading rules that I set for myself that you can too are not taking a trade because you think something will happen. So basically stick to the strategy and not taking a trade because, oh, I think it might go up or think I might go down here. Not moving your stop loss, which you can see I did in this video. And the exception to that is you can move it to break even after it hit your take profit 1 if you're trading with multiple contracts. If you have no clue what any of that meant, then that does not apply to you. My next rule is sell once price hits stop loss. Pretty similar to not moving your stop loss, but if you're running a manual stop loss, make sure to sell when it hits your stop loss. Don't be like, oh, it might go down, it might go up, I'm just gonna hold it out. Don't do that. Sell once it hits your stop loss. Only take a trade when it hits all of your requirements. So for me, I have to see a liquidity sweep, a breakup structure, and then I enter up with fair value gap order block, or hopefully both. So I only take a trade when it meets all those requirements. So basically, take a trade based on what your strategy tells you, not what you think is gonna happen. Be emotionless. Do not get angry at losses and do not get happy at wins. This is gonna help you trading, so you're not trading with emotion. You want to be trading like a robot. No emotions. You only sell when it gets to your stop loss or take profit. Next is one that that I have for myself. You
man.
might not have it for you. Do not tell others about your wins slash
I'm pretty
losses.
sure it's this
Besides, obviously, on TikTok, I post my wins
Yep.
and losses on TikTok pretty much daily.
Close
But other than
pendant,
that, I don't tell people about my wins and losses. I mean, that's just my personal preference, but that can be up
Maybe
to you.
it's the
And my final
following
rule that I have
point.
written down is
No,
do not
no,
trade
because it
news.
closes.
I mean, this one's pretty self-explanatory. If you're gonna trade news, you're basically gambling. There's a ton of other rules that you could put for yourself, and I'll definitely
chat,
add some
I
more
like
later.
that,
But those
chat.
are just a few that I have. There's a
Alright,
lot of
so
things I could tell you about trading, but I'll just leave that for another video. My
We
advice
can
to
get
you
out,
is to paper trade
but
for at
it can't
least
close
2
outside.
months. And then if you're profitable after those 2 months, then you could hop into the market risking a small amount of money and make sure you're only trading with money you're okay with losing. And I love trying a ton of different side hustles to try and make money. So you could check out me trying to start a short form content agency, SMMA, right here. And make sure to subscribe and like the video for more amazing ones just like this. And I hope you have an amazing day. Peace.
The average trader works 1 hour a day, but that's for the week. And I'm gonna prove that by day trading for 8 hours straight, which is an entire trading
cooking,
session.
bro.
So the market opens at
I'm actually
9:30
cooking.
and the
So
timer
you know how I
starts
thought I was gonna hit 12:23?
now. Well,
So I put
that
it
was a
in,
bit
at
anticlimactic,
like
but let's just start trading. So there's one rule, and that's to treat today as a regular trading
as you can
day.
see
This
this
means
right
I'm
here?
not allowed to use my
This
phone,
is,
and I'm not allowed to leave this chair.
this
I'm
is
not
a
even kidding when I
bullish-
say this,
bullish
but it took
pennant.
me 1 hour to
So,
find a
like,
good
right
trade.
here, you can
But
see
once
it-
I
it
did,
goes up
I entered that trade
and it
quicker
stays
than
in
you
the
could
lines,
smash the like button.
and then it just
Now I'm a little
rakes-
disappointed
rakes
that
out
my
at the
first
very,
trade
very
only
end.
gave me
And
$5.
so far,
It just shows that the challenge is going to be
it's
really
liter-
hard.
I
You
mean,
see,
to me, it
about a
looks like
week
it's
ago, I
following
lost
everything.
$1,800 day trading, and today I was thinking that I was going to
It's
make
just-
it back
this 2
throughout
minutes and
these
30
8 hours. But with this
30
result,
seconds, it can't close
it's going to be a
outside.
lot harder than I thought. So that's
This
why I'm
was
also
fire.
writing down and journaling my trades. That way I can
I
keep
guess.
track of my progress and actually
So.
learn from my mistakes or learn from my successes. And hopefully
And
I
all
don't
we have
lose
to
the
do is just- I
$1,800
gotta get
again.
it to this
So it's
line right
hour
here.
2, and traders typically stop here because of the low
And I win that
volatility.
option
Volatility, but also to
blur
prevent
with
overtrading,
grace.
because the more you
Blur with
trade,
grace.
the more you start making bad trades.
Got
And the
it all
only
true.
way to avoid this is to remove emotions from your money, even though I'm really not ready to lose the $3,200
Yeah.
left on my account. So I'm gonna start picking up the pace and make a lot more trades. Okay, maybe I should be picking on my trades again. You know, looking back at it, I spend my entire day on the computer. But there's something about this challenge that makes staring at my computer 10 times harder than it usually is. But anyway, I have money to make back, so let's continue trading. After reviewing my trades, it looks like there are 2 successful strategies. Number 1, double-legged flags. And number 2, when the price respects support and resistance levels. In other words, double-legged flags just means that the price went up a lot, then went back down a little bit, then went back up a lot again, and then the price dipped a little bit again. So then you'd place your buy order at the entry of this last level, and the price should go up a lot again. As for the second strategy of support and resistance levels, these are just previous levels that the price hit and bounced off of. So if it's not broken, don't fix it. But we're not gonna make money back at this pace if I don't start trading, so and with this new breakthrough, I continued trading. Although I did have some losing trades, I had a lot more success following the strategy. And I was able to become overall profitable, in which my best trade followed the strategy perfectly. So the price went up a lot, then dipped, went back up, dipped again, and then the price went up a lot. And I covered my position where the volume spiked, just in case the trade reverses against me. And even though this strategy was working, the wins were short-lived. Now from this point forward, I'm gonna be really careful with the trades I make, and be really patient, as Gary Vee always says. You see, Gary Vee claims to have built his wealth with garage sales, and quite frankly, I think that's BS. So I want to show my entrepreneurial dominance by passing him in YouTube subscribers. And Gary, if I pass you in subscribers, I have to be in one of your trash talk episodes to prove you're legitimately making money. But anyway, back to our scheduled program. So it's 4 p.m. and the stock market is officially closed, which means the challenge is also over. And after all these hours, I ended up making $5. Now, even though this is terrible, I learned a lot from this experience and took a lot of notes that I can learn from. And honestly, maybe we should see it as a good thing, because at least I didn't lose any money. I just didn't make any either. But since the challenge is over, that only leaves me with one thing left to do. We're free now, but this is not financial advice.
This right here, it's like right.
It's been 10 months since my first video on day trading with $1,000, and well, it's time to do it again. First, let's do some housekeeping. If you haven't watched my first attempt, I'll add a little link up here, but it is my most viewed video on my channel, so I'm guessing you've probably seen it. Basically, in that video, I started off on a hot streak and grew my account from $1,000 to $3,600 before imploding. so this challenge has been a spectacular failure. But at least you know now what not to do. Also, I got a lot of questions on that video. Even though I thought I covered a lot of these in the beginning of that video, let me go over it one more time. I will be trading futures, which isn't subject to the pattern day trading rule. This is a USA rule for margin accounts trading stocks and options that basically states that you must have at least $25,000 in your margin account to be able to make more than 3 day trades in a rolling 5-day period. That means futures, Forex, and cash accounts are not subject to this rule, and that's how I can day trade just $1,000. Second, the broker I'm using is Tradovate. In my opinion, their platform is pretty solid for trading futures. There are commissions and fees, but that's kind of the nature of the beast. What I like is in order to do a day trade on the E-mini S&P, you only need $550 in your account, whereas a platform like TD Ameritrade requires at least $6,600. Third, there are several things I did wrong in that video. The biggest mistake was being over-leveraged. With only a $1,000 account, I shouldn't have been trading the NASDAQ or S&P E-minis. I should have stayed with the micros, which are 1/10 that of the E-minis, and then worked on building my account up while minimizing my risk. Fourth, I was doing a lot of quick scalp trades on the NASDAQ. I was generally looking at such small time frames, and I think I should have really zoomed out, looked at the bigger picture to determine my plan of action. I also didn't do much prep for the day before the market opened, which is kind of vital for any successful trader to do. And fifth, when I'm in a trade, you can see my position at the top of the chart. A red negative number means I am short that many contracts, and a green number means I am long. And it will show you the dollar amount that I am up or down in the trade right below. And again, the platform I'm using is Tradovate. Not an affiliate, no referrals, nothing in it for me, just letting you know. So since that challenge, I spent the vast majority of the spring and summer learning and studying more and more, mostly focused on stock options since that is where I am most comfortable and have seen the most success. Futures, however, is a completely different ballgame, and I haven't really dabbled much more into it since my last video on it. So I reloaded my account on Tradovate with $1,000 to try and document the process one more time. Here we go. All right, we're now about 30 minutes in, no trades yet, just watching the price action and waiting for a good entry. I started off my first day of the challenge trading micro NASDAQ contracts, which is 1/10 the size of your standard E-mini futures contracts. All right, got the first trade of this challenge done. It was about an hour after market open, pretty short and sweet on the micro NQ lots. My first trade was a small $9 win, which I guess I forgot to screen record.
Wow, we're off to a great start.
But at the bottom, we can see I traded 4 contracts, paid $2.44 in commissions and fees, and had a net profit of $6.56 after holding the trade for 34 seconds. Very small profit, but just wanted to take a little bit. Wait and see how the rest of the day shakes out. Next, I tried buying 2 contracts, anticipating a move higher, and I didn't have my brackets set up correctly, which automatically sets my stop loss and take profit levels, so I manually exited the trade once it turned against me. Looking back at it, I'm not really sure what I was thinking. Watching the playback of that trade, I find pretty embarrassing, but there you have it. I took a $42 loss off a bad setup, so I can't be surprised by that. Took another L, and then the NASDAQ broke below previous support, so I entered a short position. First with 2 contracts, and as it started working in my favor, I sold short an additional 2 contracts. The yellow line on my chart is VWAP, so my plan was to exit there, as sometimes price can bounce off of it. I ended up with a $74 win on that trade. In hindsight, I wish I would have maybe left 1 contract as a runner, since the NASDAQ dropped 50 points in 2 minutes, and as you can see, I left a fair amount of money on the table. But I had a plan and I stuck to it, so I can't really be upset with that. That trade put me up $1 on the day, but after fees and commissions, I was still down $11. I took another nice trade going short as the selling pressure looked strong and I was anticipating a retest of the previous low. That was good for $25. After the test of the previous low, I waited to see if buyers were going to defend that area or if sellers were going to overpower them. When price failed to break above the 615 level, I shorted it again. My profit target was 1 standard deviation away from VWAP. In retrospect, I wish I would have entered closer to that rejection point at the moving average, but that's okay. We can see price bounce off of my target, so I'm pleased with that scalp. This brought me up to about $73 profit after commissions and fees. And then I took another trade short after price consolidated around my last exit. Unfortunately, I got shook out of this trade. I was thinking buyers were supporting that level, so I just scratched the trade for close to break even. And then it dropped 20 points like I originally was anticipating. Now, unfortunately, I overtraded a bit and should have just walked away with a nice 7.3% gain on my account. But I ended up finishing the day with almost $50 in gross profit, but because I traded too much, The fees added up and I was left with about $18 in net profit. The next day at market open, I watched and waited to see if price could break out of previous resistance. The buyers kept trying to push price up, but sellers around the 15,600 level were too strong, so I was ready to sell short. Took a quick 7.25 points in 12 seconds for a $29 profit. I then took a trade long off of a pullback. Again, I must have forgotten to screen record it, but that was my last good trade of the day.
Break that chart pattern, bro. It's not symmetrical. That's not symmetrical, bro. That's symmetrical, bro. Frick. So it was just a 50-50 chance. So we're selling. Unless it pulls. Unless it pulls. It's not pulling. It's not pulling. No, chat, no. No, man. Wait. We might be on to something here. We might be on to something here. Sorry for cussing. Wait, bro. Oh. When did I buy in, bro? I think I bought in like right here. 60. So I buy in like right here, bro. I should have gotten it right here. It's 63. Or 50. That's 50. We could have made a little bit. Bro, yes, bro. Alright, chat. What are the percentages? That's not going to work. Symmetrical triangle. So. Okay, but look. It might go down. Pump fake. Scrapapa. Then up. Unless it's, yeah, bro, I'm down 20% right now. I'm down $1.80 on this. Chat, it's pulling. Bro, all we gotta do is just make it get it like right here, dude. Right here is all we need, man. Alright, how do I make a triangle? Rectangle. Shkaba. Shkabang. Boom. 200. All we gotta do is wait now. Well, it went down, but look at the pull back up. So we might be onto something here. We might be onto something. This is the little that we have to get right here. This is the what? This is the area. We have to get right here. Just top right here.
Oh, you mean it has to go back up?
Yep. So I was looking. Funny thing, it's a symmetrical triangle, not a bullish pennant. So it can either go up or it could go down. So I didn't look at this one. So see, we have a problem. But look, I mean, look. It's climbing. And it hasn't even hit this yet. This is our other support. So we're low key. We're chilling. No, I don't like that. I like triangles. I mean, rectangles.
So did Grandma get up in her walker?
Yeah. Chat. I mean, this is what we're looking at right now. I mean, like, so we got in on our paper trade at 12266, and it just closed. We haven't hit resistance yet. We're fine. Chat, we're fine. I'm talking to myself by now. Alrighty. Horizontal style. Dotted line. I need a 1 minute chart. We got a. Oh, I thought it was a red cross for a second. If this closes at a red cross, get back up, get back up, get back up. All we need. This is a resistance line. This is a resistance line. We're fine. Chat, we're fine. I'm telling you right now, we're fine. I mean, look at that, bro. We're chilling. Okay, so look, I made a resistance line right here. Right here. So if it comes and it doesn't close over the resistance line, but the candlestick goes over it and comes back down, that's 1 point. And if it does it 3 more times, then it's going down. So it's resistance. But support, if it comes down and hits this, goes back up, and then comes down and hits this but doesn't close over, then we're chilling. Does that 3 times, then it'll go up. So we have our rules set. I have our goal right here. I'm already down 20% in my trade right now. See what we're low-key selling. If I did this earlier in the morning, I could have made $72 today. Yep. Yep. Down 1 cent, man. No, yeah, no. Lost $5. Frick. We're at a negative theta right now. I don't know if that's good. Should probably look that up. So we're cooking. If it closes above the resistance line, we're actually chilling. Good aim, Lola. Good aim. Closes in 33 seconds. 30 seconds. Hasn't moved. So that's the problem. That's the problem. It's the problem. If it moves down, I sold. Oh. Go up more. It went right on the line. It went right on the line. That means I have a good resistance level. Okay. Bad aim. If it closes, oh my, it literally closed right on the line. Look at this. Literally right on it. Bro. Don't know, man. I don't know, man. Means something good, I bet. It's negative though. It's going down. All right. I mean, I still have like what? 3 hours, 30 minutes until it closes. Wait. 3 hours and 20 minutes, not 30. Go. 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 Yes. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Positive 70 cents. Low-key cooking. Low-key cooking. Come on, come on, come on. I have 10 shares of Disney right now. Wait. Why is it all the way up there? What happened? Original. Chat.
What time do you need to go to back to school?
I have to leave at 2:35.
Can you bring my package for me? Drop it off.
Probably, yeah. That 281. It did a little pump fake. Going back up. Good aim. Good freaking aim. That's plus $1. That's plus $1. I mean, I lost $14 today. Cause freaking Nvidia. Freaking Nvidia. It's not good at all. But hey, if I hit this, plus $3. I'm up 21%, bro. Bro, look at that. Gosh, this is an insane picture, bro. Oh my man. Look at that, man. Chat. Ooh. Ooh. They can like barely see it. Oh wait, I'm just gonna put my face over here. Pump fake, pump fake. If anyone types in chat. Let's see. What's good, chat? Huh. I don't know the rules in this. Okay, so if it comes down and bounces off resistance. Huh? It's not good. That's not good. I'm even. I just broke even. Oh my man. Okay, but in reality, oh, I'm minus $2. Trade. Oh my gosh, it just closed below the resistance line. I don't know what that means. Okay. Okay, but maybe... Oh, man, it makes the motions right now. Okay, wait, pause. Okay, pause. Pause. Maybe it wasn't done symmetrically. Oh. 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, 4 point, 5 point, 6 point, 7 point, and then release. Let's check it. Let's check it. Let's check it. 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, 4 point, 5 point, 6 point, 7. Alrighty, so we're selling. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. I'm scared. I'm scared. Should have cashed out, man. Should have cashed out right here. Quick and easy little. That's fine. $14. That's gonna be loss. That's gonna be loss of 28. Oh boy. Oh, it just shut up.
Did she have you pick a couple things up on the floor in the bathroom? Where did you put it in that box?
Yeah.
Where's the box at?
She just made me move it.
Where is it?
It's like right by her bed. I don't want to see it.
What is that gonna do?
It's blocking him from my vision.
What is that gonna do?
Stay in the box. Stay in the box.
What if it goes out of the box?
I don't know. Well, realistically, if I learn something, then it's fine until it goes past this. Maybe it wasn't done. Maybe the symmetrical thingy-mabobber wasn't symmetrical. Maybe it still had time. Maybe it's gonna go down, up,
You need to
down,
educate
up,
yourself a little more before you start spending money.
and then perfect. So we're in copper. Pump fake. I don't like you. I don't like you. But it's low-key freaking selling, bro. Oh yeah, bro. Like, no way that's a freaking symmetrical. And it just freaking good. Alright, but chat. How much you want to bet it wasn't done? We're going to have this now. We're going to have this. How much you want to bet? This actually might be what it is, chat. Ooh. Alright, alright. If it follows this right here, bro. If it follows this right here, we're low-key chilling, bro. Alright, well, hold up. This might not be it. Okay.
Do it. Just do it. Let's go. Come on. Come on, man. Okay, well, I don't know. This low-key cannot be it, bro. Because that's not touching, bro. It's not touching. But if we make it this way, then it is touching. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Alright, but chat. Which one is it, though? You think it's this one? Low key? One. It goes down first. Hey. Hey, wait. Alright, alright. Alright, so target to get. Bing, bang, 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 bang. Alright. Well, all I know is we gotta get right here. You know what I'm saying? Ugh. I don't know if I'm doing this right, bro. Like my first actual like real trade. First ever options trade. Paper trade right now is up $1. You know what I'm saying? Alright, bet. Now we gotta add in some supports. That's our first support. Boom. And our resistance will move up to. I don't remember if it's this or if it would be this. I think it's this. Okay, bet. See, like, it surpassed this right here, bro, but I don't know. It's just like, the 5-minute chart looks different from the other one. I don't understand why. I mean, frick, bro. Low key, that's looking like a freaking. This is looking great, actually, bro. I might have just did it too early. I might have gone ahead of myself and tried to do the other one. But. Bullish rectangle. All right, so we got the bullish pennant, and it looks like that could be it, low key. Because look, chat, look, ready, boom, right. See what I'm saying? Ooh, low key though. Ooh, ooh, chat. Ooh.
See what I'm saying, chat? Okay. This low key, bro. Low key. Low key, bro. What do we want? Candles? Those candles? Ugh. Ugh. Why does it look? Low key? I like all of it. Yeah, this is better. Alright, so now we got all we gotta do, bro. All we gotta do is just wait. See at the very end of this, right here. Yeah, bro, our 1 minute chart's not really doing us justice, but on the 5 minute chart, it looks like it's gonna do it, bro. I mean, just look, bro. If it doesn't hit, bounce off, right here. We need it to come like right here. This low key is what we need right here. It's low key. But I don't know. I mean, tell me real quick, bro. No way it's not this, bro. 100% a bullish pennant. Bullish pennant, bro. Right here. 100%, right? Bullish pennant. Like brother. Like brother. Brother, this wait. Pause. Yeah. It's literally this, bro. I'm telling you. No way it's not, bro. Look at that, chat. No way it's not this right here. My 3 people watching, bro. 3 people watching. There's no way it's not this. Look at this. No way, bro. No way it's not. I have this set up perfectly, bro. I have this set up perfectly. This is Disney, by the way. I got an option trade in. It has to hit 123 13 before market closes. But like, look, bro. No way. Tell me it's not that. Tell me it's not that. Like, bro. No way it's not that. So earlier I had it set up early, like really early. Um, so it was like it was here and here, and it tanked when it got outside. So I really thought that I really thought I was tripping, bro. But I wasn't tripping. I just caught it too early, I think. That's the thing, I think. Keyword. 'Cause I don't know. First day trading, bro. First day, man. Caught this. Oh, telling you, bro. Telling you. If it's not this, I'm actually gonna cry, bro. Like, no way. We got Alright, it's probably going to be at 2. At 2, he's probably going to shoot up. That's the marker. Probably around 2. 145 probably. 135, 45, something like that. I don't know why it says 14. I don't know why my computer says 11:06. It's like 1. I don't know how to change that. Change that right now, actually. Date and time. Heck yeah, dude. Central. Bet. Bet that up, bro. Bet. Alright. Yeah. So. I mean, I don't know. What do you guys think, bro? Hi, bro. Hi, bro. Hi, bro. How's life? FF Shimul. What do you mean? What do you think, Shimul? You think this is a W trade or not? You think it's gonna hit? Bounce off? Bounce off? Shing, 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 shing. I don't know. I don't know. I literally think he's just gonna go kapa. Telling you, bro. Telling you. Right here. When he gets right here. What's up, bro? 100%, right? There's no weights. No way it's not. We gotta get top right here. We gotta get right here. I like that better. I mean, no way it's not gonna hit it, but if it doesn't, it doesn't. It's fine. We want it to come to this area, though. We don't want it to drop at all. I put it. So low key, we could gain $200 off this, or lose 700. You know. Reply for thanks. I replied, bro. Am I muted? Like, what's good, chat? What's good, chat? I mean, tell me, there's got to be a W setup, right? No way, bro. No way it's not. I mean, what are we thinking right here, bro? That's literally perfect. A perfect thing, bro. Like, tell me I'm wrong. There's no way, bro. 1, 2, 3 on top. We just gotta hit one more on the bottom, and that's literally a freaking bullish pennant, bro. I'm telling you. Telling you. I bet. We're cooking, yo. We're cooking. Am I cooking, bro? Chat, bro. Am I cooking? Am I cooking right now? Am I? Am I cooking, bro? Look at that, bro. That's literally it. It's literally the same exact thing. Am I cooking right now? Am I? Am I cooking, bro? Look at that, bro. It's literally it. It's literally the same exact thing. Chat, bro. Am I cooking? Am I cooking right now? Chat, bro. Am I cooking? Am I cooking right now? Am I? Am I cooking, bro? Chat. Chat. Look at this, bro. I'm literally cooking. Literally cooking. At 2:45, you can make $200. All you gotta do is just put 1,200 in. That's it. 1,200. Disney. Disney, bro. Telling you. Telling you. At 1:45, put it in. Telling you. All right, bro. All right, look at this right here. Bullish pennant, right? Goes up. Ding, 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 ding. Tell me that is not that, bro. Look, we got 1 point, 2 point, 3 point. We already got 3 points on the top. Now all we got to do, all we need right here is this bottom 3 point right here. And look at this. It's about to hit bottom 3. Now we just got to hit this target right here, bro. That's all we got to do. We just got to hit this target. Target to hit is 2312. That's what I put on my option. But you know, we get bro. Bro, if I do this, I'm literally the greatest, bro. I'm actually dropping out. Bro, if I actually like if I'm actually right about this, bro, like that's gonna be so tough. Like just imagine. This goes up, this hits top right here, bro. That's gotta be like 124, bro. 124. That's $2 per freaking share. Like I'm cooking. I'm cooking, bro. Bro, I got 1,225 in right now. If it hits my point, I get 1,832, bro. I'm like cooking. I'm actually cooking. Look at this, bro. Bullish pennant. Bullish pennant. That's literally that. I swear, bro. just want to go up, bro. Just want to go up, 100%. Like that is literally that. Just want to go up, 100%. Like that is literally that.
Jack.
cooking anymore. I'm not cooking. Thought I was cooking. I lucky sold, bro. I lucky sold, bro. No, man. Mmm. Alright. Chat, I'm cooking. I'm cooking. Open the video I sent you. Oh, I'm cooking and cooking. GPU mount? What's that look like? The black thing? Let me check real quick. Hold on. Oh yeah, the one that looked like chapstick. Hold on. Wait, no, it's not, cause I saw you put that in your PC. Are you sure? I swear I saw it. What the frick? 0805. Wait, I just leaked my email. My dad's watching a TV show, and I'm watching this stock that is about to freaking pop, bro. Oh! You gotta go watch the video I sent you, bro. I'm telling you. If I get this, my career of being a day trader is going to start tomorrow. Chat. What? I'm downloading Valorant right now, by the way. So, I'm looking at the thing, like the stock right now, and if it if it is what I think it's gonna be, then it's gonna shoot up at like 135. I'm really hoping I'm right, bro. If I'm completely wrong, then it's fine. Answer this FaceTime though. There's like no there's no way I'm wrong. There's no way I'm wrong. Alright, look at this. Okay. Let me. Okay. Okay. So if you see this right here, it's called bullish pennant. So you have 3 points on top. Can you see my mouse? Yeah. So you have 3 points on top of this line right here. So this is your resistance line. This is your support line. So you have 1, 2, 3 on top, and right here you can see I have 1, 2, 3, and then on the bottom I have my 1 right here hitting, 2 right here hitting, and this third one just hit. So if you see 1, 2, 3, and then now you see this, and you can't tell me that doesn't look like the exact same thing, right? There's no way. There's no way it's not. And look, it already looks like it's going up right now. There's no way. There's no way. I already put an option trade in, so I'm literally the greatest. Low key cooking. And that's my stream. Valorant download. Is it downloading? Yes. Riot Games. Install. I have to put on keyboard and mouse though. It says Windows Defender Firewall has blocked some features of this app. Do I just hit allow access?
Yeah.
For that? Okay, and I'll just sign in. Are you sure though? 100%?
Yes, man. That's
Alright. Allow communicated on a allow access. Username. TTV. Cozieware. Password. And skadoosh. I'm about to be the freaking. It's already at 39%, bro. Oh, yes, sir. 40%. Yes, sir. Going to Stream Deck. You already know. Bada bing. Bada boom. Bada bop bing boom. Pow. I don't want this. Delete. Open. Got him. Okay, chat. This is actually making me mad. It's getting kind of slow. It's getting kind of slow. I don't. For this on here, I'm using paper money or paper trade money, but on my Robinhood, I got it on an option trade, with real money. So that's what I'm using it. But I was like, might as well just put in a paper trade just in case, you know. And then I could just be like, okay, bet. So basically made $500. But I'm actually cooking, bro. I'm actually cooking. Yep, it's going up. Oh my gosh. This. Oh. This is just a very freaking tight one. Oh, and it hit resistance. Oh my. No freaking way, man. No freaking way, man. If it doesn't, bro, I'm actually gonna cry. Please, bro. Come on, man. So it's selling.
Aaron, bro.
Hmm.
Gonna cop another offer today.
Couple what?
Gonna cop another offer today.
100% you will, bro.
Huh?
So 100% you will.
Hold on, wait. Never mind, I can watch the video after this. Man, why are you breathing so hard, dude? Mav, what's wrong, dude? Memo. What? Why are you breathing like that? Okay.
I don't like this. No, man. No, man, no. So we might be selling here. Bro, if this had a longer it might not be that. It might not be a freaking
What do we think I get on my final for science?
great question. I don't know.
I have 5 questions left.
Speaking of that, I'm gonna try to do some school right now. Forgot to turn off my alarm and I just didn't do anything.
I don't know how you forget, but I don't be forgetting that stuff, dude.
Well, the market's closed tomorrow, so I'm probably just gonna do school like the whole day. It's probably the smart thing to do.
Darn it.
Darn Doten.
Frick.
Oh, bro, this is actually making me so mad that I gotta wait this long to actually see if it will work or not. 4 more minutes, and then it'll probably hit the mark where it goes up. Yay! Alright, bro. No way it doesn't shoot up from here. Alright, bro. Come on. Push. Push, baby. Push. Alright, let's look at Disney's news. Okay, bro, like, just look at it, bro. It gets so freaking short right here. There's no way this isn't. Chat. Am I tripping? Bro, chat, I might be tripping, bro. I mean, like, unless it just keeps going right here. If that doesn't close, we might be chill, bro. But I don't know. First time doing this, don't really know what I'm doing.
yard now. It's like a freaking foot tall. So, you need to get the lawn done.
Didn't do what I expected it to do.
Huh?
Didn't do what I expected it to do.
Yeah. Welcome to the real world, bud. If it was that easy to predict, everybody would be doing it.
Yeah.
You know? Are you still streaming?
I'm pretty sure I stopped. Is it still going